Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video I'll be painting this gas tank to this motorcycle. This is a 2024 Honda. Let's begin. First of all I'm going to be painting is going to be the gas tank. That's going to be a different color. The fenders are going to stay the same, matte black. So let's just remove it. I already unbolted it and removed it, so let's just start sanding. Here it is. I did remove the gas cap and I did remove the internals, the fuel pump and everything. This is empty, that has no gas. So all we're going to do is sand it down, have it ready for that paint. Real quick, what color is it gonna go? Let me show you the color. This is the color it's gonna be going in, Rain and Blood. So it is from Revolt Auto Paint, and it is a candy pearl. We're gonna be painting it candy red. Let's get to it. I am gonna be using 320 grit with the DA with an interface pad on the DA. There you go. I sanded it with the 320, then finished it off with 400 grit, and that's where it's at right now. All I'm gonna do, like, this is brand new paint. This is a brand new motorcycle. So I'm just gonna spray the base right on top of it. It'll be good. Nothing will happen to it. So let's just do that. I'm gonna paint it black first because I'm gonna put black underneath the candy, the candy pearl. So let me paint it black and then start shooting that candy. The gun I'm going to be using is the Z gun, no name brand, with a 1.4 tip. That's what it has right now. So let's just prepare everything, prepare the paint. The paint is going to be from Revolt Auto Paint, but the base, the black base, is going to be from Line right there. So I'm going to mix it up, paint it black, then comes the good part. There it is, the first coat. I'm going to be applying 2 coats of the black. The black covers real quick, so I'll be applying just 2 coats. I'm going to wait 15 minutes in between each coat, and I'll bring it back once the second coat has been applied. Before you start asking, I thought you needed to apply silver base for a candy paint job. That is a negative. You can apply any color of base for a candy job. It can be black all the way to pink. It doesn't matter. It's gonna give you a different effect depending on what you're applying, but you can apply any color underneath the candy, and you can mix match any color of candy also. So in this case, I'm gonna be applying black, and you'll see how the candy is gonna pop with that black. Here you go. You saw the second coat being applied. Now, all I gotta do is just wait. I'm gonna wait 15 minutes for it to dry. In the meanwhile, I'm gonna be cleaning the gun and getting it ready for that candy. This is the candy, guys. It's called Rain and Blood by Revolt Auto Paint, right there. Now this mixes 1-to-1, which is 1 part of the candy with 1 part of the reducer. Let me mix it up and apply it. Here it is. This is bloody red, man. This is nice. So let's just pour it into the gun. Let's apply it. Here's the first coat. You're not going to see the effect right away because it's on black base, but I'm going to be applying 3 coats. Then we'll see how it looks. If we need more, we'll apply more. All right, this is the 3rd coat. Right there, as you can see, it's kind of beginning to look like a brandy wine type of color, but it's real nice. All I need is the clear. It's gonna pop. Let me put the light, see if you can see it a little bit better. There it is, guys. Now, I don't know if I'm gonna put another coat. I need to check. This is drying already, so that's why it looks a little bit dull, but once the clear coat goes on, look at this beautiful color. All right, now that it's drying a little bit more, I think I'm gonna leave it with 3 coats of the candy, and just clear it. Let's start clearing this this tank up. Just make it pop. It'll just boom, it'll be in your face. Now guys, imagine applying it in silver, applying it with metal flake. It'll just be a totally different ball game. But this is the way we want this motorcycle, kind of subtle. It'll look kind of dark, but when the sun hits it, it's gonna pop. Now the clear I'm gonna be applying, it's gonna be from Revolt Auto Paint Euro Clear, right there with some medium hardener. Let's just mix it up, apply it. And here it is after 3 coats of clear. It's done. Really nice, really sharp. Let me just turn off the light so I can show it to you with the flashlight. There it is, guys. Now this light doesn't give it justice. I'm gonna have to show it to you out in the sun, but I need for it to dry. Let's wait for it to dry and I'll show it to you out in the sun. And here it is, back in the motorcycle. Looks really nice. Love the color. There it is, guys. And this will be it. This will be it for this video. Hope you liked it. I'm gonna leave all the materials I use in the description below. Go ahead and hit them up. Tell them Far Away sent you. Get yourself some. This will be it, guys. Thank you, and like always, stay safe and God bless.